Hey guys, how are you? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently purchased at the grocery store. I was looking for, a good detergent with the brand name that would work well and get a lot of the stains out of my laundry. So I picked up Gain with plus Aroma Boost Original. This is a 3.54 liter or 3.75 US quart, 120 ounce liquid. Caution, eye irritant, harmful if swallowed, see back label. Just have that little caution sign on there. Gain's been around a long time. Now it has 20% more detergent than usual. I'm going to open up the top here. It's an easy screw off top. This comes right off. I think usually you could use like a cap full. That's about what I use. So there's the directions on the back here for both the front loading and top loading washing machines. So for medium loads, it shows you how much to fill it with. For large loads, how much to fill it with. And for full loads, how much to fill it with. So for one, I guess they have the fill lines on here. The fill lines at the bottom. I think it's a little confusing the way that they listed it actually. But I guess like it would, for one load would be around like right here, two would be like here, and then full would just be like full to like the rim here, I guess. Oh, it shows you actually, sorry, I never realized that because I've been like kind of eyeballing it, and I usually do large loads, so I just like fill the cap up anyway, but that's convenient to know now. So it shows you, so 1 here for medium loads, 3 for large, and 5 for full loads, which yeah, that would be up to the rim. So that's good. You can measure it out pretty easy. I'll show you guys what the detergent looks like when you pour it. It smells wonderful, by the way. It's like a greenish blue liquid. So just want to show you guys the thickness. It smells great and definitely gets the stains out of your laundry really well. So for here it says follow care label instructions, then sort, test inside seam for color fastness, contains approximately 77 loads as measured to bar 1 on the cap. So that's for medium loads, but I tend to do large, so it wouldn't last me as much as it would if I was only doing medium loads. But still definitely lasts a really long time. Find more great scents to love at ilovegain.com. Bottle made from 25% or more post-consumer recycled plastic, contains no phosphate. Caution, keep out of reach of children, of course. If swallowed, give a glass full of water, call a physician. In case of eye contact, flush with water. Do not reuse this package for dispensing beverages or other liquids. Ingredients include biodegradable surfactants and anionic and non-ionic and enzymes. Distributed by Procter & Gamble in Cincinnati, Ohio. Copyright 2017 P&G, Procter & Gamble. You have their website here, www.pg.com/patents. They have the barcode. So overall, I was looking for a detergent that would smell good, work fine in my washing machine, which is actually, it's front loading. And it kind of just like has like a spout that you can kind of pull out almost like a drawer, and it gives you an area where you could put in detergent, bleach, and fabric softener. So I don't even need like color safe bleach with this because it got the stains out really well. I always have I'm just a mess when it comes to like cooking. I always get oil on myself, and that's the thing that really stains. So I noticed as long as I put it in the washing machine with the Gain and spot treat it a little bit, it even gets the oil stains out, which I'm really happy about. So that was my biggest concern. And then my husband plays softball, so he always gets dirt and stuff on his clothes, and it definitely helped to take most of those stains out. So I'm definitely really impressed with this detergent, and I've used Gain before and it's never let me down. It's never disappointed. It always gets the stains out. It smells good. But this is the first time that I'm using the Gain Original plus Aroma Boost. I think I've just tried the regular Original in the past, but the Aroma Boost definitely gives a really nice scent to your clothes, and I love using a detergent that makes your clothes smell pretty. And this just smells very floral and fragranced, and it doesn't irritate your skin or anything like that. It doesn't make it itchy. And on sensitive skin, like I have pretty sensitive skin, I've never had an issue. And my husband's really happy with it too. Of course, we use the same laundry detergent. It's easy to use, it smells good. Overall, just a really great product. And then of course this is recyclable, and like I said, like this, I usually just fill it to the top because I'm always doing a pretty large load. But if you're doing medium load, it's great because it shows you right inside the cap where to measure it to you know, add just the right amount of laundry detergent to whatever kind of load you're doing. And it's great for colors and whites. So color safe, gets your whites white and bright, and there's definitely a great amount of detergent in here, especially for the price. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try out Gain Plus Aroma Boost Original, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.